Today we're upgrading the interior of our Alfa Romeo Giulia with this genuine carbon fiber badge cover. This piece is going to add a high-end touch and installation should be super easy, so let's get started and see how it looks.
This badge cover is crafted with 100% genuine carbon fiber using the same supplier trusted by Ferrari and Lamborghini.
This bad boy has a high gloss ceramic clear coat for both durability and a pristine finish. With these isopropyl alcohol pads, adhesive promoter, or a microfiber towel with isopropyl alcohol in it, all you gotta do is wipe down that steering wheel just to make sure the back of it is clean. Do the same to the back of the emblem as well, the cover, so that you make sure that is clean too. And when you adhere it with whichever of the three methods I'm gonna provide you use, you'll make sure that whichever one it is, you'll have a strong bond. Option 1, liquid adhesive. For liquid adhesive, you're gonna kinda wanna use a lot of it because if you look at the airbag cover, the silver part, the emblem, is a little bit raised, and you have to make sure all the adhesive sits underneath the raised parts and on top of the raised parts, because the back of the emblem that you're putting on there, it's completely flat. So you're gonna want all contact points to make contact. We ran with the liquid adhesive first and it didn't end up sticking very well, mostly because I didn't use a lot of it. So if you're going this route, use a lot of it. You could also use these thin strips of double-sided tape. We'll have that in the description below. Girlfriend had them just in the back. So she got those and came back and put them on. The third option is, it's gonna be cement. It's always gonna be on the wheel. It'll never come off. It is epoxy resin. That's gonna bond it and you'll probably most likely will never be able to take it off. Oh, and this might happen. Oh. Okay, wait, I think what I'll do is I'll hold the back of it and I'll press down so it doesn't press the horn. Whichever method you use, we recommend that you just make sure it's bonded really strongly. Again, we switched to the tape over the liquid adhesive and that seemed to work well for us. But you have options and you can do either, just make sure it's pressed down solidly. It is the next morning now, so we should be able to go ahead and remove the bandages.
The glossy carbon fiber finish really elevates the interior,
adding that exotic touch without any complicated installation, just some kind of adhering, pressing, holding, and enjoying.
And it gives you a small detail that makes a huge difference for how you feel when you're inside the car. Carbon fiber badge cover is this carbon fiber badge cover is a perfect choice. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Alfa Romeo mods. We'll have the link of the product in the description below.